My dress has been this long for like 2 weeks, so I'm now cutting it off because these are way too long for me. They are 32 inches. I wish I could show you guys the full length. But yeah, I'm about to start cutting it off. This is all I cut off. I'm probably gonna be reusing this. I don't waste no money. So I'm gonna start twisting. I already started twisting this side. If you guys can tell, this side is fresher than these right here. I'm looking in the viewfinder, so I don't have no mirror in front of me. This is why I'm like this, because I can't see nothing. But I'm just retwisting these. This is the hair that I used. And this was, it was $5.99 a pack. Originally, I only used 3 of these to wrap the hair around. I didn't do an original video because I was so lazy that day, so I was not doing a video and I was trying to get it over with. It was taking mad long, so yeah, I didn't want to do no video. So I like these strands better because they are pretty thick rather than the other one I used to use, the Freetress or Water Wave. That one is pretty thin, although they have the bulk in the Freetress. I never know how to say that word properly, but y'all know what I'm talking about. But I always used to use that one, the bulk, but most beauty supplies don't have the bulk. They usually have the thin ones, which is so hard to open. So I just get the hair like this, basically. And I'm going to be using my jam. This one is extra hold. And it's the yellow, orange looking jar. And my hair really don't need retwisting, but since my edges is like this, I don't like seeing that, so I'm just gonna retwist it. And I can't really see shit. I probably should start from the back, but ain't. I'm gonna take some of my jam. This should be enough. Probably too much. I love the smell of this. And I just started using it because if you guys used to watch my hair videos, I used to use the argan oil. I still use it, but I just love the smell of this one. And the argan oil is more hold than this. I just saw the Africans using this, so I decided to try it. It doesn't work as well as the argan oil, but it smells better. So I imagine I picked this because of the scent and not the hold. I'm gonna take this. I love my dreads looking like this. I love messy distressed dreads. I don't like the neat looking ones, because we all know real dreads are not even neat. So yeah, let's start wrapping that. And I wanted to take up all my edges, so I'm doing it pretty tight. Now that I'm at the bottom, this right here, I'm just gonna go back up with it to secure the lock. And then I'm gonna take my crazy glue. Some people use nail glue. It doesn't really matter. They do the same thing. But since I had crazy glue and I didn't feel like buying any glue. I mean, yeah, I had crazy glue and I didn't feel like buying any glue. Just gonna go ahead and use that. And just wrap it around. I hate when crazy glue get on my finger. That shit is so annoying. But this is what the locks look like. I didn't do it tight enough, but I love when it looks like this. So yeah, let's get to doing the others. And I'm gonna stop talking now.